So as you can see, the scratch under my front bumper just happened 2 days ago during the time I have breakfast. Typically when I'm trying to park close to the curb, PDC were actually engaged, but this time it didn't. I didn't notice it because typically the PDC were engaged, but somehow it didn't. Most of the curb is below the height of the bumper, but somehow this one is a bit higher and it got a nasty scratch on the bottom. Now you can see I'm almost close to my turn for the car wash. In fact, I didn't record it earlier. I was a couple cars away, and before that I was waiting about 20 minutes just to wait for my turn. And lucky for me, almost waiting for my turn, then the weather starts to turn to cloudy and immediately start to drizzle. So I decided to cancel my car wash because there's no point washing the car and then the rains gets dirty anyway. So I drive back and do some cleaning myself, mainly the interior, and also I clean out my 4 wheels since it's full of brake dust. That's about it. This is the Euro number plate holder and the number plate which I ordered from Shopee. Actually I ordered it like a couple months back, but I didn't have the time to actually even open it and check what is inside. Actually I should have, in case there's any things wrong with it, then I could send back, but I didn't. So anyway, hopefully nothing is damaged. So if it's not there, I'm screwed. I have to order again. So far looking good. Well, the packaging is good, very well insulated. You can see, very good packaging. So this is the M number plate. Anyway, looks better than the one I'm having. So 2-piece front and back. I also bought this, which is for this. This one, as you can see, is coming out. Even the front here, if you guys can check on my older video, the clip has broken for my panel. I also bought this. This is the driver side front brake hose duct. So I can't install this now because I have to hoist the car up. I think may need to remove the bumper. I'm not sure because I remember replacing this on my E39 before, and yeah, we need to remove the bumper. So hopefully the F15 doesn't, but anyway, if have to, then I have to get my foreman in Sunway to do it for me. Other than that, then I also bought the wiper blade. The real wiper blade actually is for my wife E84. So yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to install the number plate, and this panel is quite irritating, like you see. So this is the one I want to replace. You can see it's coming out. It's not latching to anything. Actually, it's nothing wrong, but it's kind of eyesore. This as well. As you can see, it's rattled. I'm going to remove it. So to remove this side panel, I need to remove the front first. So once this is removed, I can have direct access to this quite easily. Removal is quite easy. 4 clip, just pull it up. So you can see, I think they broke it last time, so they just put a sticky glue here. So this piece, there's nothing wrong except the clip here is a little bent. But the thing here is I'm missing one of the pins. There's one pin here I'm missing, so I have to buy this before I slot in the new one. So the time being, I will install back the old one. I think I can use back the old one, just that I'm missing a pin here. So I don't think so there's any shop open on Chinese New Year Eve. I'll just clip it in for timing. Anyway, it's quite easy to remove this panel, so I'm going to plug it back. make sure it's aligned first, otherwise you will break the clip. Now everything is flush. This one is sitting perfectly. Clips are all in here for the big panel. Here, actually, maybe I don't care about this also because it doesn't really rattle already. Well, a bit, but actually it's sitting quite flush. We see how if it rattles during my driving. But anyway, the clip is quite cheap. I will get it anyway. Since it's Chinese New Year, might as well change to something new. Anyway, I don't like this number plate holder, especially the brand it carries. For those who don't know, maybe you guys can check my earlier video. Why is it so hard to remove? One. Whew. Now for the rear wiper for the E84. The reason why we replace is because you can see so my E84 rear wiper can fit quite a number of cars. Discovery, Vela, SV, Mercedes, CLA, CLS, CLC. Interesting. So that's a simple DIY which I just did. And actually, as you've seen earlier, I want to wash a car, but eventually rain. So I end up just clean my interior carpet, make sure there's no dust. So my interior is super clean now. And also I wash the wheels. I don't have car shampoo to wash the entire car. So I'm not the type of detailing guy. As long as the car is clean, I'm happy. So I will take this opportunity to wish everybody Gong Hei Fa Choi, Happy Chinese New Year. For those who are not celebrating Chinese New Year, Happy Holidays. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Cheers.